Oh, come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel that mourns in lonely exile. Until the Son of God appears. Rejoice, rejoice.
Hello dear friends, I'm so glad that you stopped by today. In case you're new here, my name is Tammy and welcome to my 2022 Christmas home tour. So this year I decided to decorate in more neutral tones. It's very winter wonderland. There's lots of little forest animals and I bring that forest theme throughout my home. I hope that you guys really enjoy it and get inspired by it. However, up in my kids' playroom, I kind of went the opposite way. It's very festive and fun and colorful, so it kind of compensates for the more neutral tones in the rest of my home. But I really just wanted to create a magical and peaceful space in my home for this Christmas season, so I hope that you guys really enjoy it. But before we get to it, I do need to introduce one of my dear friends. Her name is Angie and her channel is called The Bumblebee Farmhouse. She has such charming Christmas decor and she makes the most amazing home cooked meals. I would love to go over to her place for dinner because I know that it would taste divine. So I will let her introduce herself now, and when you're done here, make sure to go and check out her Christmas home tour as well.
Hello sweet friends, my name is Angie and welcome to the Bumblebee Farmhouse. I wanted to thank my sweet and darling friend Tammy Ferns for inviting me to collaborate with her here today on YouTube. Tammy, your channel is so wonderful with lots of homemaking inspiration for cleaning, organizing, decorating. You have a beautiful family and lots of adorable fur babies. And very much like Tammy's channel, I hope you can find some cozy inspiration on my channel for home decor, antiquing, cooking, baking, gardening, shopping hauls, romanticizing everyday life, the mundane, and just the little things in life that count. I would love it if you can come on over to my channel, subscribe, and stay a while. I would love it for you to become part of my YouTube family and check out my other content. So I hope to see you there. And as Dorothy Gale once said, there's no place like home. That's right, folks. Home, sweet home.
and hand in hand, and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their souls implore. Yeah, yeah. While fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat, repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes all the nations of the world prove. Down to one. Should we clean up or have fun for a while? There's a sweet, sweet stillness there in the quiet Christmas air. May you find yourself laughing all the while. Have a happy, merry, beautiful Christmas where all your troubles fade away. Where there's laughing and memories made by the Christmas tree, and joy for every age. So have a beautiful Christmas. Oh, have a beautiful Christmas. Oh, wrap your feelings up with care. Give it to someone to share on this holiday.